The latest US job numbers are hot off the press. And if you were hoping for clarity on how large the Federal Reserve's September rate cut is likely to be, well, think again. Take a look at this next report to understand what investors will eye in the coming week.
Friday's job report did little to resolve the debate over whether the Fed will cut rates by 0.25% or 0.5% by the 18th of September. Data showed that US unemployment rate dipped by 1/10 of a percentage point and payrolls growth wasn't as bad as it could have been. However, the last 2 months were revised down, and we already know that further revisions are on the way. The upshot is that it's all to play for whether or not we get a bumper 50 basis point Fed rate cut this month. Investors will keep an eye on US inflation figures this week. No one, though, is expecting any nasty surprises. Analysts say even if the Fed does not cut rates by 0.5% this month, it may well have to do so before the year is out. Recession isn't inevitable, but the momentum is certainly fading. What happens in November's presidential vote is undoubtedly important. The coming week's head-to-head debate between Kamala Harris and Donald Trump could prove to be pivotal. Across the Atlantic, the European Central Bank is facing its own set of uncertainties. Wage growth is still showing some underlying strength, even if headline numbers are stabilizing. The major question for this week's meeting is whether the ECB will increase its inflation forecast above 2% at the end of 2025. If it does, then that would undoubtedly embolden the ECB hawks and presumably rule out a follow-up cut at October's meeting. It's going to be a similar story in the UK too. The Bank of England, BOE, is expected to cut rates less aggressively than the Fed. Services inflation is still stuck above the US and Eurozone. Just as the bank mirrored the Fed as rates rose, analysts expect the same will largely be true on the way down. Business Bureau Report, WION, World is One.
For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.